Hey, we're starting at the mobile gas station. On Summerland Key. We're on the sidewalk, south side of Overseas Highway US 1. Galley Grill is an excellent restaurant. Should have got my free paper. Shell is the place to buy marine gas or rent a boat. If you need any booze, you got Summerland Key Wine and Spirits. They got a little bit of everything there. Gotta watch out for the truckster. Bank has been closed from COVID for quite some time. It's gonna be coming back someday, just don't know when. Got our own little hardware store, which is definitely a very good hardware store. There's our post office. We're actually at the end of the airport, be the 30 end. 3012. Oh, car. First time I ever seen that gate open. Yep, got one turning. Got one turning. He might not be turning too good though. Murray's Market. That's a great little grocery store if you don't want to drive anywhere. And the best lunch spot around is here on the right. Slice of Paradise delivers breakfast and lunch sandwiches. I don't know what it's called, but it's good. The Island Coffee House. Now we're at Summerland Key Cove. And I'll show you our slogan. Welcome to Summerland Cove, an island you'll love for life. What's the hurry? You're here. And that's the name of that tune. Seasonal rental, Ocean Mist. That's one of two seasonal rentals I know of on this street. Where are we going next? Where are we going next? Well, let me see how much time has elapsed on my video, because we came from West Shore Drive, past Mobile, Shell, Ice Machine, Galley Grill, Murray Market, Paradise Pizza. Today's movie night. Crystal's got a movie rented. What's our movie tonight?
I have no idea. What are you doing smoking?
That ain't the name of a movie. We're gonna watch Cody on our Fire Stick.
Okay.
But we gotta pick a movie.
So good.
We gotta pick a movie. And they're building a new house here. They'll be working on it this time next year, mark my words.
And year after.
Probably 2 years, you got that right. Okay, see where my timer's at. We're only at 5 minutes, going on 6. You want to add something to this video segment?
Yeah, I don't care.
Where are we going? Down the end of Caribbean?
I don't care.
Okay. I gotta show them the coolest motorhome around.
Show them the palm trees.
And the palm trees. Them are cool. I gotta take a few photos of neat stuff around here. So I'm gonna turn off the camera at the end of the street. I think the sun went down already. Turn in over here. Looks like we might have missed the sunset. I wonder if this is still Caribbean Drive. Don't know.